Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore a useful trick, how to save entire chats to a PDF on Bing Chat. So, let's dive right into it. Have you ever wanted to keep an entire Bing AI chat conversation for future reference? Well, you are in luck. There's a clever way to do that by saving the entire chat as a PDF using Print Tool. Here's how you can save your complete Bing AI chat history as PDF. If you are on a Windows or Linux system, press Ctrl P. For Mac users, press Command plus P to open the Print dialog box. Within the Print command box, under the printer header, click the drop-down to see available options. Choose Save as PDF from the options provided. You can further customize the layout, select the specific pages, and adjust settings as needed. Once you have set everything up, hit the Save button. Pick a location to save the PDF file and click Save again. And lo and behold, you have just saved your entire Bing AI chat as a PDF. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope these tips helps you keep your conversations handy. And see you in the next video.